told you guys, February 21st, 2025. So there I got a call from a guy I worked for years ago. He's got a bunch of income property, I guess, and got a problem with one of his tenants. I guess the drain's backing up on a sink, and sounds like the pop-up assembly's got an issue. That won't work anymore. But the sink's backing up the drain. So I've been hashing back and forth with the guy, trying to find out what day he's going to be home, and he's only home on a certain day for an hour or an hour and a half. It's like I need more time than that in case I run into problems. So I guess he's got time today where I can get in over there, and he's got somebody there that can stay there, so we don't have to. I'm not going there and then have to leave and then have to go back. I'm not doing that.
1/4 mile. Turn right on Bass Road.
So I gotta make sure that when I go somewhere, they give me time to do my job, or I'm not interested in doing it. So supposedly we got that part ironed out, and I'm going over there and see if I can fix the issue and then send the bill to this guy. I have worked for him in the past, years ago, and now he's calling me back. I haven't worked for him in probably 8 years, 10 years maybe. Well, that's the deal. Unbelievable. That's why it's not working. I gotta cut this and back the trap off. Cut this. This should work now. This has got to be locked in place. I think it's a leak in here too. She's loose as a goose, man. She's loose as a goose. Some Smurf jizzle on there. Fucking junk. She's a junker. I did take the door off. I could get in here. Unbelievable. Brass pipe coming up. Scary shit right there.